In this tutorial, we will see 3 demo examples to use ADC of TM4C123 Tiva Launchpad. First, we will see a demo code of TM4C123G microcontroller ADC. This ADC code of TM4C123 microcontroller reads analog input from AN0 pin, and based on digital value turns on or turns off the onboard green LED of TM4C123G Tiva C Launchpad. If measured digital value is less than 2048, LED will remain off. If ADC digital value is greater than or equal to 2048, LED turns on. Now create a new project in Kyle Uvision IDE and upload this ADC code to TM4C123G Tiva Launchpad. Rotate potentiometer to change the input signal value. You will notice that the green LED of TM4C123G Tiva Launchpad turns on when the digital value crosses 2047. Now let's see the second example. This code is similar to the code that we used in the last analog to digital converter example. The only difference is the conversion of digital value into analog voltage. This function converts the measured discrete digital value back into voltage. For demonstration purposes, we will use the UART module of TM4C123 microcontroller and send measured voltage value to PC using USB to serial converter. Now let's see the demo. As you can see, voltage values are appearing on virtual terminal. Now let's see the last example. In the last 2 examples, we used a polling method to measure analog signal value with TM4C123 microcontroller ADC. But the polling method is not an efficient method, and it's a wastage of microcontroller processing time and resources. Instead of using a polling method, where we keep polling for ADC conversion to complete, we can use the ADC interrupt handler function to read the ADC conversion value. This program measures analog voltage by using ADC0 via interrupt method. Now upload this code to TM4C123 Tiva C Launchpad and observe output on virtual terminal. For complete code and in-depth guide, check the link given in the description of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you with next video. Thanks.